We're going to move on to the Insert menu now. Before we start using it, however, I want to go through a few options just to make sure that I'm using the correct voice that I want, volume, speech rates, and the video output image size. And the next thing I want to do is to insert a background color. Choose this blue. I'm going to type some text. You won't be able to produce a video with no text. What you can do, if you don't want the text to show on the screen, is type it in. And then you can always hide the text by clicking on this button here. For the moment, let's leave that. Now we go to the Insert menu, and I'm going to insert a background image. Choose this one, which is the same size as the output. And you can see the text appears on top, and you can type more text. And I'm going to insert another image. Which you can then reposition wherever is appropriate. Resize. And so on. Now, if I were to leave repeat background on, it's selected as default, and add a new slide, it will automatically copy over just the background. If I don't want to repeat the background, if I want to create a new slide without that background or a different background, I would check the repeat background off and then click on New. And you can see I've got a completely new blank canvas here. So if we go back through the slide, you can see that's just a background and nothing else. And that's back to our original slide. I've removed the third slide basically because it was blank, there's no need for it. And let's insert a soundtrack now. I'm going to select a file from my SkyDrive. Just check the text to speech volume and the soundtrack volume. Let's bring that down to around 15. Well, 14 or 16. Let's try 16. And leave the repeat the background track on. OK. Go to create video, create an MP4 video. And it's telling me that I should add text or remove slide 2. So we'll go to slide 2. I'll just remove that for the moment. Go back to create video. Create as an MP4, which I'm just going to save on the desktop. Give it a name. That'll go through and compile everything into a video file. Only takes a few seconds for a one slide video. It's adding the soundtracks, etc., and it's opening up in the default video player.
Hello world, how are you?
And you can hear the voice has read out the text that I've left on there.
Hello world, how are you?
There's not an awful lot to hear on the soundtrack, to be honest. It's very short.
Hello world, how are you?
that down. And that just about covers the insert menu for inserting backgrounds, images and soundtracks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.